Yo, what's good everyone? My name is Gary and welcome back to the channel. I mean, I haven't vlogged in a really long time, but I'm super excited to share what's been going on. Now, I mean, a lot of things have happened since I've vlogged last. So in a very quick recap, my summer was amazing. My wife and I traveled the Philippines and we got to see some beautiful islands. We went to Siargao, which is like probably my favorite place in the world. Then we went to El Nido, which is also probably my favorite place in the world. And then we moved to Vietnam. And I mean, it's just been a whirlwind, right? Spending so much time in the Philippines the last 3 years and then packing up all of our things and then moving to Vietnam. Now, we are currently in Vietnam right now. And as you can see, it is quite lovely. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. This isn't really where we live, but it will be where we live for now. We are currently in a studio apartment and we will be here for a little while until we find a place to permanently stay. We are currently on our house hunt, and you know, house hunts aren't great, but it's something that needs to be done. One thing about international teaching is that they really take care of you for the most part. I know that the schools that I've signed up to have done that, and we are here in this studio apartment until we find a place that we love. Now, I'm super excited about the school year. I'm also a little bit nervous because, you know, going back into the school year during a pandemic, or after a pandemic, during a pandemic, you get what I mean. Going back to school is a little bit tricky, a little bit nerve-wracking. So I'm going to really just try and embrace whatever it is that kind of comes my way. I'm excited to see my students. I'm excited to see my parents. There's so many things that I am very excited about, but I'm also nervous. My writing life has been okay. I mean, I haven't been writing a ton, but I'm also giving myself space so I can produce something that I truly like and enjoy. Other than that, you know, it's crazy that a few weeks ago we were in the Philippines, but now we are in Vietnam, and this is where our life is going to be. We've had some great food here already. The food culture here is just amazing, and we haven't even scratched the surface yet. So I'm excited about that. Whew, I don't know. There's so much going on. I'm so excited to share with you guys, and I'm gonna try my very best to vlog at least once a week to give everyone an update on how things are going. But until then, thanks for hanging out. That is an update for now. Later. Peace.